If you've been exploring AI tools for generating art, you've probably come across both RunwayML and BigGAN. But which one really produces the best art? In this video, I'll compare the two head-to-head, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses so you can decide which one suits your creative needs best. Let's start with RunwayML. This tool is designed to be an all-in-one creative suite that integrates various machine learning models to help artists, designers, and creators produce high-quality artwork. One of its biggest advantages is its user-friendly interface, which makes it accessible even for beginners. You don't need coding experience to get started with RunwayML, which is a major plus if you're new to AI art generation. Next thing to consider is BigGAN, developed by Google. This model is a bit more niche, but packs a powerful punch when it comes to producing photorealistic and highly detailed images. BigGAN focuses on generating high-quality visuals using deep learning techniques. It works by taking random noise and transforming it into a realistic image, producing results that can be both stunning and unexpected. However, BigGAN does require a bit more technical know-how to use, which may not be ideal if you're just starting out. The third thing to keep in mind is customization. With RunwayML, you have the flexibility to combine different models, tweak settings, and use pre-trained models, which is perfect if you want to experiment with various art styles. But BigGAN, while it can generate great art on its own, doesn't offer the same level of flexibility when it comes to customizing outputs. It's more of a one model, one result situation unless you dive into tweaking the code yourself. Now let's talk about speed and efficiency. RunwayML's cloud-based setup means you can get results relatively quickly, depending on your internet connection and the complexity of the task. It's built for smooth workflows and even integrates with other creative tools, making it a great option for professionals working on collaborative projects. BigGAN, however, requires a lot more processing power, which can lead to slower results if you don't have a powerful machine or access to cloud computing resources. The fourth thing to consider is the quality of the art. RunwayML does well in creating visually appealing, stylized images that can be used for a wide variety of creative projects. It excels in more abstract and experimental art forms. BigGAN, on the other hand, is better at generating photorealistic and more natural-looking images. If you're looking for something that feels more grounded in reality, BigGAN might be your choice. In terms of cost, both platforms have their pricing models. RunwayML offers subscription tiers based on the features you need, but it can get expensive if you need the higher-end features or access to more powerful models. BigGAN, being more of a research tool, can be harder to access unless you have a technical background or are willing to put in the time to set up and fine-tune the model yourself. So, the upfront costs of getting the most out of BigGAN might be a barrier for some. The fifth thing to note is overall usability. While RunwayML's focus on ease of use is a huge advantage for beginners and non-coders, BigGAN's more technical nature means it's better suited for those with a deeper understanding of machine learning. But that doesn't mean you can't produce great art with either tool. It just depends on your level of comfort and how much effort you want to put in. So, which one should you choose? Well, both RunwayML and BigGAN are powerful AI tools for generating art, but each has its own strengths and weaknesses. RunwayML's simplicity and versatility make it a great choice for beginners and artists who need to integrate AI into their workflow quickly. BigGAN's photorealism and detail are ideal for those who need high-end, lifelike images and are willing to invest the time and resources to get them. That said, after trying both platforms myself, I have to say there's a better alternative out there that combines the best of both worlds. If you're looking to generate stunning art with fewer limitations and more customization, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description. You'll get access to a free trial with exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. So, if you want to create amazing AI-generated art without the hassles of either RunwayML or BigGAN, be sure to take advantage of that offer.